Welcome back to the channel Autoland 2025. Today we bring you an exciting look at the Havi Nitrox, a machine that combines futuristic design, raw power, and advanced technology to redefine the riding experience. The Havi Nitrox has been engineered for riders who demand both style and performance, a perfect blend of aggression and elegance that makes it stand out on the road. From the very first glance, its aerodynamic body structure and bold aesthetics capture attention, showcasing a muscular stance that hints at the performance hidden within. The designers of this bike have put a lot of thought into creating a profile that feels sharp, futuristic, and powerful, ensuring that every ride becomes a statement. When it comes to performance, the Havi Nitrox doesn't hold back. Built with a high-torque engine tuned for speed and efficiency, this bike is designed to deliver thrilling acceleration and smooth cruising. Whether you are riding through city streets or pushing limits on the highway, the Nitrox responds with precision and stability. The handling is enhanced with advanced suspension technology that absorbs shocks effortlessly, ensuring comfort even at high speeds or on rough terrains. The braking system is equally powerful, giving you complete control and confidence in every situation. The Havi Nitrox is not just about raw power, it's also about innovation and rider-centric technology. Equipped with a fully digital instrument cluster, riders get real-time updates on speed, fuel, navigation, and riding modes, making the experience more interactive and convenient. Smart connectivity features allow seamless integration with devices, ensuring that entertainment, communication, and navigation are just a touch away. The bike also supports multiple riding modes, making it adaptable to different environments, whether you prefer eco-friendly rides or sporty high-speed runs. Another key highlight of the Havi Nitrox is its lighting system. The futuristic LED headlamps and taillights not only provide excellent visibility but also add to the striking look of the bike. Day or night, the Nitrox stands out as a bold presence on the road. The exhaust design too is a masterpiece, offering a deep and aggressive note that complements the power-packed engine performance. Every rev of the throttle brings an exhilarating sound that adds to the thrill of riding. Comfort and ergonomics are carefully considered in the Havi Nitrox. The seating is designed to support long rides without fatigue, with a balance between sporty aggression and touring comfort. The riding posture feels natural and controlled, giving both new riders and experienced bikers a confident feel. The build quality is top-notch, ensuring durability and reliability, which makes the Nitrox not just a bike but a long-term partner for your adventures. Fuel efficiency is another area where the Havi Nitrox impresses. Despite its powerful engine, it offers commendable mileage, striking the right balance between performance and economy. This makes it a practical choice for everyday use while still delivering the thrill that riders crave. Its eco-conscious design also ensures reduced emissions, contributing to a cleaner and greener environment. The Havi Nitrox is a true reflection of modern biking culture. It is for those who want more than just transportation, for those who see their ride as an extension of their personality. The futuristic design, cutting-edge technology, and thrilling performance make it an icon in the making. Whether you are chasing speed, comfort, or advanced features, the Nitrox delivers on every front. It's not just a bike, it's a lifestyle upgrade, a machine built to set new benchmarks in the two-wheeler segment. For riders who love to stand out, the Havi Nitrox is more than just a mode of transport, it's a bold statement on wheels. From its aggressive looks to its advanced tech and powerful engine, every aspect has been designed to create an unforgettable riding experience. This is the bike that makes heads turn, hearts race, and riders feel alive every time they hit the road. That's all for today's detailed look at the Havi Nitrox. A machine that blends performance, style, and innovation in a way that very few bikes manage to achieve. Stay tuned for more exciting updates, reviews, and deep dives into the world of futuristic rides only here on Autoland 2025. I see you in the next video. Would you like me to also create a SEO-friendly description plus hashtags plus keywords for this video like I did for your other bike reviews?